Hi guys, we're gonna change the electronic brake switch here, and this, firstly we have to take the panel out, easily by gently, not to break it out, and I use my hand, you can use your tools easily, it's a little hard to track out. You can see as when you pull it out, you have to move a little bit forward, although there's some lock down there, one lock down there. You can't get it out. We have to pull it forward a little bit. Then after the ignition on, easily on a neutral, or yeah, you just put on a neutral, and easy you get access to take the connector out. Otherwise, you'll get a lot of difficulties to take the AP switch, because there's no space over there to put your hand and take the screw out. So get it there, one. And after this, true screw at the down. So it's getting really difficult. Yes. It's good to be there. Push this out. Now pull it up a little bit up, and you can see that there's two screw over there. Take the screw out. And you've got easy access over there, otherwise you're going to get a lot of difficulties to put your hand over there. Just take the screw out. Just take your time away. Don't break it out anything. It's a plastic part that's not like too hard or easily break it down, so that's why just after the screen, you can see there's two lock over there. On the top, these ones. So let's pull it out a little bit up. Then after, you have to push it down this three or four locks, two upside, and it's two under that one. The locks a little hard. The other lock, you can put your finger on the back of his AP switch and you can feel it over there, and you can't take it out. Take it easy. For the new one, easily just put it back and make a tick noise. It means lock. Fit it over there. Does a click noise. Means good. Then put it back, everything as the same way which you were taking it out. All the connectors, just make sure, don't break it out. Don't break it anything. Put the screws, everything, put it back, everything. So easy way. That's not too hard. Like some little tricky, but it's good. Not too much tricky as well. Easy. I can't say easy. It's a little hard to take that panel out. Just make sure, be gentle with that. You can use your trims tool. for the screw and don't tighten too much. Otherwise, you're going to break again. After that work, just put the connector backing on. The connector back on, but please, big noise. So this wires is a little small, so that's why it's a little hard. Not too hard, but sometimes. Before putting the panel, just check first, because sometimes it doesn't work. So you have to take the panel out again. So before putting the panel, just check the UE switch is working or not. If it's working, then put the panel back as the way we should check it out. The same way, bring back all the clicks. Got it? Everything is done.
Right, Lena?
Fulfilled? Thank you.
Do I use that to clean?